everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're here with Ava. Hi, Ava.
Hi.
What are we going to draw today?
Witch.
A witch. Should we draw a happy witch or a mean witch?
An angry one.
An angry one? Okay. What color should we draw the witch?
Skin?
Yeah.
Green.
Green? Okay, let's do it. Happy Halloween. We're going to draw a witch. Thanks for joining us. Okay, everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're going to start with a black marker, and we are going to draw the hat of our witch. This witch is going to be fast and simple for young drawers, for young artists, I should say. Okay, so come up here, find an imaginary line, and we're going to do a line over. Okay? And now we're going to do a big triangle. Follow me. Here we go. Start on the line. Big triangle up. Triangle down. Okay. You did a round triangle. Everyone, you can do whatever shape you want for the hat.
I don't know how to make that very well.
That's okay. You did a good job. So now everyone get a green for the face. Can you get a green?
I want this green.
Okay, I got my green. We're gonna start at the hat. Follow me. Watch what I do. I'll do it first and then you do what I do. We'll go down, kind of a big half circle up to the hat.
Okay.
Ooh, great job. You are a good follower. Get your brown. Everyone get a brown.
This is a dark.
And we're gonna do hair, okay? This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be crazy messy hair. So follow me. I'll go first. I'll start at the corner and I'm gonna go out, down, out, down, out, down, and pointy, and up, and see, it's all messy. It's kind of like a bunch of lightning bolts. Okay, start at the corner. Go squigglies. You can do as many squigglies as you want. Make them big and messy. Go right into the chin. Good. Now let's do that on the other side. I'll go out, down, down. Big point and little squigglies to the chin. Can you do that? Yeah, make it messy. Make it really messy.
Yeah. Oh,
Good.
that's a big one.
That's a big one. Okay, I'm gonna grab my green again. Get your green. I'm gonna do a pointy tip.
I'm going to do that.
Okay. I'm gonna make mean eyes. So here we go. Down to the middle.
Down.
Another one. Down to the middle.
Down.
Now start at the top of this line and do a big half circle.
I'm gonna do like this.
Okay. Below the line, do a big half circle.
Another one.
Okay, and we're gonna draw a big long nose. So start in the middle and go boop. Now we're gonna do a smiley. Ready? Big smiley face for the witch. A line and a line.
And a line.
Good job. Okay, we're gonna color our witch. We're gonna do a black. We'll color it in black, and we'll color the hair in brown. We're gonna color the face green.
I'm gonna do this green for
we're gonna
them.
redraw our smile probably with a black marker. So follow along. We're gonna hit fast forward really quick.